would his body go missing just as I was about to have it exhumed for further testing? I'm worried about you, alright? I'm worried about Austin. I don't want kids living under the roof of someone capable of murder. If your mom did this, if she killed someone, do us right, Jenny. You are not your mother.
Good job, Chico.
Let me protect you.
Good job.
Is there all that you want to tell me?
Cleaning your teeth, huh?
Oh. I'm sorry, but you're mistaken. My mom loved Kenny, and she would never hurt anyone.